Day 14, post-op, stem cells in intraoseous of the right ankle because of infection causing arthritis. Left elbow, multiple spots because of ligamentous damage, and then full body IVs. So overall, doing pretty good. I've had to change my workouts. There's no jumping, there's no loading, so no real knees over top of the toe causing compression to the anterior joint. So we don't want to cause inflammation, because then the stem cells are going to try and mitigate the acute inflammation rather than go after the chronic problem that's there, and that's to regenerate the cartilage. So overall, doing pretty good. Went to work yesterday. Cognitively, I probably had about 2 hours in me. So by the end of it, I was pretty gassed. I felt sharp, but my capacity and my endurance just isn't quite there yet. Morning pains, a lot less. Waking up, sleeping is good, but again, we're not going to see major changes probably about 3-4 months, they said. I do a follow-up at 3 months, and then we do some imaging to see what changes have been occurring. But overall, I'm happy that I did it. I like putting the onus and power back in my hands to heal my own body rather than other options of fusion and surgeries that just are not on the table for me. So I'll keep everyone posted, keep you up on my progress, let you know what I'm doing for workouts and modifying it. And yeah, so far so good.